Proper maintenance and cleaning of a CNC coolant system. CNC and lathes used for machining require optimum care in order to achieve the desired machining results and coolant life. In this video, we will demonstrate the proper steps to remove the used coolant, clean the sump and surrounding areas within the machine, and recharge the coolant system. The first step is to remove the used or contaminated coolant from the sump of your CNC or lathe. Remember to always follow your state and local municipality's direction when disposing of used coolants. Once the used coolant is removed, you will need to make sure all the remaining metal fines and swarf is removed from the sump, and all surface areas, especially those in direct contact with the coolant, are clean. Once the sump and all surface areas are cleaned, you can add water back into the machine sump. Fill the machine sump to 1/2 its volume or until the pump is able to circulate the water throughout the machine. After filling the sump to the proper level, add 3% of NCOC sump cleaner, NC 1273, and allow it to circulate for 1 to 2 hours or longer if time permits. This will allow the NC 1273 to degrease the coolant system further, removing any remaining contaminants and microbes or bacteria that might remain and be detrimental to the fresh coolant after the machine is cleaned and recharged. Once this process is completed, remove the NC 1273 cleaning solution and thoroughly dry the machine, sump, and surface areas. It should be noted that assuming time permits, it is good to recharge the machine with a conditioning charge using the production coolant at a 2 to 3% concentration. This would condition the machine further by neutralizing any remaining NC 1273 cleaner solution that might be present in the machine prior to the final charge. The conditioning charge would need circulated throughout the machine anywhere from 1/2 hour to 1 hour, and then dumped and recharged. However, this step can be skipped if time and other factors prevent running a conditioning charge. After removing the NC 1273 and/or conditioning charge, assuming which step was performed, you can recharge the coolant sump at the recommended concentration. By following these recommendations, combined with the proper monitoring of the coolant system, you should be able to keep your machine and coolant in excellent operating condition, improving both performance and part quality. Contact your NCOC sales representative in your area for additional information and product recommendations. Remember, NCOC, Chemical Solutions for Industries.